as with all new wagons, I always add a drop of oil, just one tiny drop on both sides of the axle, just to stop any wear, unnecessary wear. I always do that on new stock. Tiny drop. I need to over oil it, in fact. That's all you need to do. That's what I do anyway. You don't have to. It just makes them run smoother, I think. And makes the plastic or metal chassis where the wheels slot into bogies last a lot longer and less wear. Although you'd have to run them a long time for them to wear out. But it's just something I do anyway. Yeah, funny, I've come to a massive problem with these wagons. I bought these off eBay, and they're brand new, and they're in a Trix box, which is 2-rail. These wagons have had the wheels swapped over, and the 3-rail, the MARKLIN 3-rail wheels. So when you put them on the track, this happens. It's shorting out. Hear that short? Because they're not insulated. So that means I've got to change 20 sets of wheels, which are going to cost quite a bit of money. I'm not happy about it. I'm going to have to contact the seller, find out what's going on, even though it was about 4 or 5 weeks ago. So that's just a warning. If you buy anything from eBay, always double check, especially the Continental stuff, which I buy a lot of. It's alright with with the 00 scale stuff, because it's not 3-rail, it's all 2-rail. So anyway, that's that. Can't use them. Pretty gutted about this. Look. So when you switch power on, you'll short out the system, because they're not there's no insulation on the wheels. Ah, man. So I either sell them on as MARKLIN items, even though they're in the Trix box, or replace all the wheel sets, and that'll probably cost about 15 to probably about 20 quid, maybe more actually, because I'd have to probably import the wheel sets. It's just annoying that, because obviously the seller is not an experienced European seller. He mainly sells British stuff, so this has caught him out. So there's not much I can do about it really, unless I send them back, but that's going to be a bit too late, because I bought them at the start of December. Just a shame. Oh well.